My name is Zach. This is my channel, UltimateRebuilds. Today we're back on the boat. If you don't know yet, I bought a pontoon boat and I've been slowly turning into a party barge with a whole bar on it, fire pit, some really cool stuff. If you haven't checked that out, you can check out my previous episodes up here somewhere. Yeah. If you've already seen those, you can stay tuned and watch this new episode. we're gonna do some fun things, so stay tuned. Well, my boat cover's doing its job. It's just a little bit of water is getting in. I need to build some posts that will prevent that from happening. But I have some parts now. I'm gonna go ahead and install them. I got some new lights for the bimini top and some other little stuff I can't think of off the top of my head right now, but we're gonna go ahead and start that and get it done. That way we can take it out today. Okay, slight problem. Not really a slight problem, more of a major problem. Both of my bearings have blown out. Now, I've only taken this boat down the road twice, like down my street, not even on the main road, and both of them already blew out. Now, this tells us one of three things. Either I overpacked the bearings, which I really don't believe I did. I have it on video, and I don't think I overpacked them. No, I know how to do this. I know not to overpack them, so I don't think I did that. A second option is this pontoon weighs too much for this trailer, which I can believe. It weighs a lot more than it used to, so that's another option. Final option is these bearings were bad and they were gonna fail anyway, so yeah. I'm either gonna say the pontoon weighs too much or the bearings are bad in the first place, but I am gonna replace them right now. I already ordered new ones, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace them. But I am gonna replace this trailer. I think a double axle is better suited for how big this pontoon is and how much it weighs. I'm gonna be taking it kind of far distances, so I don't wanna have any problems. I don't wanna blow out bearings on the road, so I am gonna sell it. If you're interested in buying it, it's a good little trailer for a smaller pontoon, one that doesn't weigh as much as mine weighs. Everything's new on it. I have a video rebuilding it all. Interested, email me. If you have a double axle trailer you're selling, also email me, please. I am looking for one, and I need one kind of quick. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and replace these bearings and get to that. All right, we got all the pontoons polished, the outside, even got the inside polished. Yeah, it looks so much better than the whole swirl marks that was on it. There's a little bit of swirl still, you can kind of see them, but it's definitely way better than what it used to be. The tool I used was Eastwood's Contour SCT. This thing is actually really nice. It's a little heavy, but it gets the job done. It was perfect for this because I can actually get up in these little areas with it. And I used this thing, it's almost like a big roll of scuff pads. It was able to get all the corrosion, or at least most of the corrosion off, and all that really gross film that gets on top of aluminum. I don't really know what it's called when it does that, but took all that off very easily. I got this all done in like maybe an hour, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, it looks really good, a lot better than what it used to look like. I need to order more paint because it's starting to peel off in certain areas. This paint didn't really hold very well. I'm not sure if that's a normal thing. I don't know, but I'm gonna order more and touch up those areas because it looks kind of gross. Moving up top, I want to talk about some of the stuff I added. First thing is this basket. I like this basket so much. We were able to put our phones up here. I'm keeping the cards and stuff right here. I actually think I'm gonna order another one to install a little bit lower. Just makes it really nice, really convenient. Just grab whatever you want from right here. Also, a garbage can. I've got that. I originally bought it so it can mount on the side right here, but it's just a little too small. I'll either have to remake the whole mounting hardware, or I'll figure out something else to do with it. Yeah, but it's nice having a garbage can underneath here. Talking about my bottle openers, you guys had a lot to say about that. I got a few emails about people not really too happy with me, but I could get in the whole, like, people overreact about cursing and curse words. I think people just, yeah, I'm not gonna get into it because I could probably talk about it for a while, but to make everyone happy, I'm gonna put these PG ones on here. It just says open here. I'm gonna install these where those were, and I'll put those somewhere else. Maybe give them away to someone, I don't know. Now, talking about these bar stools, I had a lot of you guys say I should powder coat them, and I actually love the idea. I did a little bit more research into it, got some prices on it, and it is expensive. It's a little bit more expensive than I was hoping for. I got quoted $300 for all 4 of them, and then $600 for all 4 of them. The funny thing was, it was the same company, just different people I was talking to. So, I don't know. I don't know who I should listen to. I don't know. I just think that's a little expensive, especially I only paid $100 for these things, and yeah. So I'm just gonna sand them down and spray paint them, make them last a little bit longer, and then I'll figure out something else to do after that. If someone out there actually has a powder coating company, hit me up with my email, and maybe we can work something out. I would love to work with one of you guys, but I just don't really want to spend $300 on something that I only spent $100 on originally. Now, talking about something that's way overly expensive, lean backs are ridiculously priced. This is $600, brand new. $600 for this. Why is that so expensive? And that's like on the cheap end of a lean back. Like, it's literally just a single seat. It's, what makes it so expensive? I don't know. You guys tell me, why is it so expensive? But anyway, I'm gonna talk about how overly priced stuff is, but I put this up here and I didn't actually fall in love with it like I was hoping to. You guys said buy a lean back for the captain's chair, and I like the whole idea, so I went and bought one, and I don't know, I just didn't really fall in love with it. Sitting on it wasn't super comfortable. It looked really weird back there, like it was too wide. I think I needed one that was a little bit smaller. So tell me what you guys think. You saw it up there. Do you like that look better, or did you like the single captain's chair better? If I keep this, I'm gonna definitely rewrap it to match everything. I don't like the whole white standing out, and I may even make it skinnier because it was way too wide. It was a little way too wide. Yeah, tell me what you guys think. Did you like the original one seat, or did you like the lean back? And I will make whatever work for me. All right, I want to go ahead and switch out those bottle openers and take off those seats, take them all apart, and start sanding them down to get it ready for paint. Yeah, let's do that. And that's a wrap for this episode, guys. I'm gonna let these chairs cure a little bit more. Just the paint. I just want to make sure they're fully cured before I put them back out in the weather. This was kind of like a filler episode. I wanted to get these little things done, and I wanted to make a video out of it, but didn't want to add them to like a 30-minute long video. So just want to get this video out there, show us hanging out on the boat, some different things that we can do at night, and yeah. It was a fun video to edit. I enjoyed being out with my friends. It's kind of hard to get a video of it, but with all those people on the boat, it was hanging a little low in the back. It was sitting a little lower than it should be. But that's something we're gonna address in the future. It's a little sneak peek for you. We're gonna fix that up future episode. But for now, are you following me on Instagram? Follow me on Instagram. What are you doing? Yeah, Instagram's right here. Also email. I'm looking for a trailer, a double axle trailer. If you have any leads or anything, please email me. Also, if you want to buy the trailer, email me too. That'd be nice. Yeah, I will catch you guys in the next episode. It's going to be a fun one. See ya.